So we're now going to be plotting some curves where we've got a minus sign in front of the x squared. So we're going to start off with y equals minus x squared to see what this looks like. So when x is equal to minus 5, we've got y equals minus 5 squared. So the x needs to be replaced with minus 5. So I'll put a bracket around that, and then you've got this minus out the front. So minus 5 squared is 25, minus 5 times minus 5. So this has got to be minus 25. So when x is minus 4, we get minus 4 squared is 16, so the negative 16. So minus 3 squared is 9, negative that's minus 9. Minus 2 squared is 4, negative that's minus 4. Minus 1 squared is 1, negative that's minus 1. Minus 0 squared is going to be 0. Then we've got minus 1 squared. So if it's just minus 1 squared, then it's minus 1. And then here's our symmetry. Minus 4, minus 9, minus 16, minus 25. Okay, so let's start plotting our points. Minus 3, minus 9. So minus 3, minus 9 is all the way down here, isn't it? So somewhere there. Minus 2, minus 4. There. Minus 1, minus 1 is there. 0, 0 at the origin. 1, minus 1. 2, minus 4. About there. 3, minus 9. About there. So I'm looking at it going, have I judged that quite right? No, I'll be fine. Okay, so now we need to draw a nice neat curve that goes through these points. Okay, I think I'm going to go this way first. Oh, it's a bit more, feels a bit more challenging going that way. Well, it's not brilliant, but it'll do. And then it seems easier doing that side than that side. Okay, but here is my parabola. It's got its turning point at the origin. It's got one root at x equals 0, and its y-intercept is 0 as well. What is this in relation to the original graph of y equals x squared? Well, what that minus sign has done is it has reflected the graph in the x-axis. So the original graph goes through the origin doing this shape, and it's been reflected down. That's what that minus sign does. Okay, so that causes a reflection in the x-axis when it's all the way outside, and it's the minus of everything that comes to the right. So sticking a minus there, multiplying everything through by minus 1, reflects in the x-axis.